Type your text. Go to the Appearance panel. Add a new fill. And make it white. Click on the FX icon. Stylize. Inner glow. Mode, multiply. Color, black. Opacity, 100%. Adjust the blur until it looks similar to this. FX icon. Pixelate. Mezzotint. I use grainy dots, but you can also use a different dot type. Select Type in the Appearance panel. FX icon. Distort and transform. Roughen. Select Absolute. And adjust the settings to your liking. Go to Window. Transparency. Blending mode, multiply. You can adjust the text while keeping the effect. And that's how you create this effect.